Well, this is the brand new Cayenne, and you will get the plate number next week. Oh yeah! Oh, by the way, this is the cars, and this is the thing that it will do. It's automatic, sir. Oh, so here's the aircon, here's the radio, and if you want to transform the back into a, what do you call that? Transform the back to fold mode. It's right here, sir. Okay, thank you. If you want to go, please, sir, go here. Okay. I want to put an add-on on this. Okay. Please get out first. It's automatic. Wait. Pause. Go. Please touch. Oh yeah. Go. Oh my god. My parents, they're coming! My parents, they're coming! No, no. Kring, kring. Oh. Kring, kring.
Kay tao susundan ko.
La 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 la. Oh. Hello, Dad. Hello, son. And my mom's not coming, so good luck. I want to put a need to get some popcorn, so let's watch a movie. Okay, Dad, I'm just gonna go. What do you call that? Get ready the TV.
Jeep. Ay, ngayon kayo na lang.
Okay, I'm going fine. Go. Oh, hi, Dad. Hi, son. Let's appear. Oh, this is your new car. Let's take it for a spin. Yeah, Dad.
Dapat pakita yung malapit na malapit sa car. Tapos sabihin na yung...
Ano?
Negosyante na.
Yan. Game. Son, this is all crappy car. Oh, let's see about that. Turbo on. What? This car has turbo? Oh, shit. What's that? Automatic change tire. Sundan mo lang to. Sorry, going for zigzag. Zigzag.
Tumba.
Whoa.
Buti na lang Kuya Michael, hindi ko nabig.
Magsasalita ka, i-pause mo. We're here. Oh, look, my house. Yay! Oh, yeah, Mom. Yes! I got rid of the crazy. Yeah!
And it's
Yeah!
crazy.
Yeah!
Hello,
Play. Sa kotse. Ting. Tutut. Ching.
Hanggang doon na lang ang palap tataas. Ikli lang pala.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Like, comment, subscribe, please. And I'm gonna improve this. It's just midnight.
Wow! Wow!
Sabi newbie
Wala.
camera girl, and she's a little crazy. So, goodbye.